Okay, here are a couple central air conditioning units at a commercial building in Iowa City. Here's this one. Currently not running. And this unit is a 2-ton from 2022. Has a Copeland scroll compressor, I think. And these units appear to be Lennox units of some kind. Yeah, these units don't have logos on them, but yeah, I think they're Lennox units of some kind. Possibly airflow or maybe even Comfort-Aire, possibly. Here's this one. There's the for that. Probably the same as this one. And this one's not been running. The suction line is not cold and sweaty. And this one has, though. Suction line is cold and sweaty. And this has a low ambient kit. But yeah, these two units are located at a commercial building in Iowa City. I've never filmed that before. And I believe these units probably did replace older units before. But yeah, just saying a quick video. These two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.